An accused in the rape of a minor Russian girl identified as Aman Bharadwaj of Uttar Pradesh is absconding. Police have released a sketch of the accused based on the information provided by the mother of the victim girl. Goa government has already sent a report to the central government.
Case registered yesterday for the Russian girl in Perne police station. Goa police able to identify the accused, who is one Aman Bharadwaj, who is working as a machine operator in Intact Pharma Private Company Limited. I am not very sure. Between 25-30 over. He was working in this Intact INTECH Intact Pharma Private Company Limited, Dhargal Industrial Area, Penne. And he is a native of Uttar Pradesh. And he is working here since 2008. Basti. District Basti of Uttar Pradesh. Last, when he was seen early in the morning, he was wearing blue jeans and early morning around 8 or 9 a.m. he had come to the factory. But then when today, so when he came to know that police is making inquiries in these pharmaceutical companies, because as you remember in the complaint, there was this bit of information that he is probably one Aman. In the FIR also it is there. The other person who was accompanying him, he had said his name is Aman and he is in some pharmaceutical company. So we were making inquiries in all these pharmaceutical companies.
In the aftermath of the recent case of the 9-year-old Russian girl being raped at the Arambol beach on Monday last, the Russian embassy has expressed concern over the security of its nationals in Goa and threatened to issue advisory to its nationals as to not to travel to Goa. The saga of Russians being targeted started on the 8th of May 2009 when a 24-year-old Russian girl, Elena Sukhnova, died in mysterious circumstances, while on the 1st of December 2009, a 25-year-old Russian girl was allegedly raped by a South Goan politician at Kolwa, and on the 25th of this month, a minor Russian girl was raped at Coloma, Arambol. The recent incident of rape of a minor Russian girl at Coloma, Arambol beach has created storm in the state as well as in Russia, with senior Goan politicians start criticizing the functioning of the state government and weak law enforcement in the state. Rajya Sabha MP advocate Shantaram Naik, who earlier had blamed the tourists for socializing with unknown male persons beyond the social hours, took a U-turn this time and said that the laws should be changed to make them more stringent vis-a-vis rapes of minors and foreigners.
Indian Penal Code amendment करून हे पय मायनर स्त्रियांचेर पय बलात्कार करतात निदान थंय तरी मरणाची ख्यास्त चे प्रावधान आसूं जाय आनी ह्या दृश्टीन म्हजोय प्रयत्न आसतले. दुसरी गजाल आसा की चार्जशीट पळय आसा असली केसी चार्जशीट बेगीन फायल जावपाक जाय आनी न्यायालयानी बी हाची दखल घेवन 6 म्हयने भितर निकाल दिवपाक जाय. दुसरें ह्या संबंधात एक तरी फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट किंवा स्पेशल न्यायालय सेक्शुअल ऑफेन्सा संबंधी केसीस पळय आहा त्यो चलोवपा खातीर जालें जायत. हे 6 म्हयने भितर पळय हांव म्हणटा तें सादी जावपाक मदत जातली.
Nearly 5 lakh tourists visit Goa every year. In the past 2 years, more than 126 foreign tourists have died in the state, nearly 60% of which were from unnatural causes. In the Arambol case, police have lodged an FIR at the Perne police station. The girl's medical examination has confirmed rape, informed counsel for Russian embassy Vikram Verma.
Now, what the mother is mainly concerned is about the arrest of these criminals. She feels that what she has read in the internet and things like that, that in the past few cases where crimes have happened in Goa, nothing much has come out. So we have tried our best to assure her that the police are doing their best and hopefully they should be in a position to arrest these criminals.
The state has been witnessing a rash of attacks on women. The most recent was on December 25th last year when 2 Russian girls alleged that a taxi driver tried to rape them at Anjuna beach while they were returning from a Christmas party from Saligaon. On the 1st of December last year, a 25-year-old Russian girl alleged that Goan politician John Fernandez spiked her drink and raped her in his car near Kolva Beach. John surrendered to the Goa crime branch after evading them for nearly a month. On May 8 last year, 24-year-old Russian Elena Sukhnova's mutilated body was found on the railway tracks at Thivim.
In all the crimes against Russian citizens in the last 2 years, no case has been charge-sheeted, and there has not been a conviction in a single case. In the last recent cases of the case of Elena Sukhanova, all the evidence pointed to homicide, but the matter is still under investigation. So the Russians are concerned about their citizens the way the Indians are concerned about their citizens in Melbourne.
For the past 2 years, the law and order situation in the state has taken a lot of beating. He lamented that the lack of beach management and beach safety in the state, said senior congressman and ex-law minister Advocate Dayanand Narvekar.
I am surprised that in spite of so many incidents taking place, beach management is not going on as to what was required by the government to bring it in its place. I don't know when the government will have time to go through the beach management of all these famous beaches, like whether it is Kolva, whether it is Kalangut, whether it is Arambol. This is only giving a bad name, and I don't think these are stray incidents. I think it's looks like a system where anything can do anything with the girls or ladies there. But this is one of the worst crime which I have seen for a young girl, and I think the government will have to reply as to what exactly they are going to do for the beach safety.
Speaking with Goa 365, Shripad Naik, who represents North Goa in the parliament, said that the government has failed to take any preventive measures to control law and order in the state. He held the government responsible for the incidents.
आणि हेका लागून परत एकदा आमी सरकाराकडे अपील करतात की एक गोंय एक खंय तरी जगाचें नंदनवन अशें म्हणटात. पयलीं लोक काश्मीरा म्हणटाले, आज काश्मीर बंद जाले कारण गोंयांत लोक सगळे व्हडलांतले येतात आनी अशी तर घटना गोंयांत जावंक लागल्यो. गोंयचें नांव हें बदनाम जातलें आनी हांगसर ट्युरिजमूय सोंपतलो. आनी म्हणून आज सरकारान जागे जावपाची गरज आसा. हे सगळ्यो गोष्टी बंद करपाक हांगा लॉ एंड कायदो सुवेवस्था जी आसा, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जी आसा, ती जर बरी केली जाल्यार ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी थांबतल्यो अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी हातूंत सरकार, प्रामुख्यान सरकार ह्या गोष्टीक जबाबदार आसा.